Hey there, everyone. Mrs. King here. Today I'm here to read to you the Busybody book written by Lizzie Rockwell, and it comes to us from Scholastic. This book gives us lots of great ideas about how to stay healthy and also how to stay active. And if you haven't had a chance to check out my interview that I did with Chloe, Braden, Cameron, and Hudson, please check that out too. All right, here we go. We'll get you a close-up seat to the book so you can see the pictures real well. The Busybody book. Busy bodies bounce up and down. They stretch from side to side and run all around. They catch and throw, they push and pull. They pedal, they roller skate too. When you get busy, what do you do? Your body is meant to be busy. It's meant to move fast, lift heavy things, and walk or run for miles. Just look at it. You have hands for clapping, feet for stamping, legs for leaping, and arms for swinging. You can jump, sprint, twist, and twirl. You can do all that because your body is built to move. Underneath your skin is a strong, hard skeleton made of bones. Bones keep your body standing tall. Joints connect bones so you can bend. The skeleton. You are made up of 206 bones. The skull protects your brain. The spine is made up of many small bones connected by joints so your back can bend and twist. Teeth are the only part of your skeleton that you can see. The ball and socket joint in your shoulder lets your arm move in a circle. Ribs protect your heart and lungs. The thigh bone is the longest bone in your body. The hinge joint in your knee can bend back and forth. Half of the bones in your body are in your feet and hands. It's an interesting fact. Muscles are attached to bones by tendons. Muscles let you move and lift and stretch. When you use your muscles again and again, they don't get worn out. Instead, they get stronger. The muscles. Tendons attach muscle to bone. You have more than 20 tendons in each wrist. Triceps help you push open a door. Gluteus maximus is the large muscle on your bottom. The Achilles tendon attaches your calf muscle to your heel bone. Facial muscles let you smile, blink, chew, and talk. Biceps help you lift heavy things. Back and stomach muscles let you stand up straight. Quadriceps lift your leg and bend your knee when you walk. Ligaments wrap around the muscles and tendons to hold them in place. You have more than 630 muscles. Inside your skull sits your incredible brain. Your brain controls every move you make and thinks your thoughts. It gets information about the world from your 5 senses. Then it tells your muscles what to do and how to move. Messages travel back and forth at lightning speed along wire-thin fibers called nerves. The brain and nerves. The brain is made up of the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. The brainstem controls your heartbeat and breathing. The cerebrum is the largest part of your brain. It controls most of your thoughts and movements. The cerebellum controls balance and coordination. The spinal cord is protected inside your spine. It connects all other nerves to the brain. Nerves send millions of messages to your brain every minute. The 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Your body is an amazing living machine, and it only needs a few things to make it go, like air to breathe, food to eat, and water to drink. These things come into your body through your mouth or nose. But then where do they go and what do they do? When you breathe, your lungs collect oxygen from the air. When your muscles need oxygen, they need oxygen so they can move. Your brain needs oxygen so it can think. When you breathe in, you get fresh air. When you breathe out, you get rid of the stale air. The lungs, the esophagus, leads food to your stomach. The epiglottis closes when you swallow so food doesn't get into your lungs. The windpipe leads air from your mouth to your lungs and out again. Air enters your lungs through your mouth and nostrils. Bronchi branch off from the windpipe. So here we're inhaling through our nose, exhaling through our mouth, and here is our lungs. The diaphragm is a sheet of muscle that opens and closes the lungs as you breathe in and out. The heart moves oxygen from your lungs to the other parts of your body. Your heart pumps blood through long, thin tubes called vessels. The blood picks up oxygen in the lungs and carries it to your muscles and to your brain. When your body gets busy, it uses more oxygen. Your heart beats faster and your lungs breathe deeper. The heart and blood vessels carry blood in two different directions, away from and back to the heart and lungs. Your heart is the strongest muscle in your body. It beats more than 10,000 times a day. Vessels in lungs pick up oxygen that has been inhaled and drop off waste to be exhaled. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the lungs out of the body. Veins carry oxygen-poor blood back to the lungs to be refreshed. Waste from the blood is exhaled through the lungs. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels that allow blood to reach every part of you. As blood travels through your body, it also picks up food and water from the intestines. Then it delivers them where they are needed. Food gives your body energy. Your muscles use energy to move, your heart uses energy to pump, and your brain uses energy to think. Food also supplies the materials that build bone and muscle. The stomach and intestines. Mouth grinds food and mixes it with saliva. Esophagus pushes food down to your stomach. Stomach churns food and mixes it with acid. Food becomes a thick liquid. Small intestine absorbs tiny food particles through its spongy lining. Food enters the bloodstream. Large intestine absorbs water and leads unused food parts out of your body when you use the bathroom. All living things need water to survive. There is water in your muscles and around your brain. It is the main ingredient in your saliva, sweat, urine, and blood. Because your blood is mostly water, it can easily flow in and out of your heart and through your vessels. The path it travels is called the bloodstream. When your body works hard, it gets hot and sweaty. Sweat is water that seeps through your skin to cool you off. The busier a body is, the more water it needs. A busy body works hard. After a while, it needs to rest. Rest lets your body heal and grow and get ready for another day. All right, and on this page, there's lots of different ideas of activities that you might want to do. A body that gets busy each day stays strong, healthy, and happy. There are lots of ways to be a busy body. Which is your favorite? Okay, my friends, I hope that you learn lots about why it's so important to stay healthy and that you got lots of great ideas about how to be staying active. I'll see you later, my friends. Bye for now.